Kani kedai ke Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ke kubur baman kasni, belawan rasa pi da ke rupa, ringkat bat ke orange Nissan, lom sokpo near Fire Brigade Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Ke Bosco Technical Society, harengkat ke Jingtip Langbat ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, haga arfuai terik ujile arjar khat kendai, kila penlong ya ke Shillong Job Fair, neka Jingtip hakilat Wadkam Wadjam, na ke benta ki Samla nong Shillong jong jela Meghalaya, ya ke bala penlong ha pelau jong ke Bosco Technical School Shillong. Ke Bosco Tech Society, harengkat ke Jingtip Langbat ke Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, haga arfuai terik ujile arjar khat kendai, kila penlong ya ke Shillong Job Fair, neka Jingtip hakilat Wadkam Wadjam, na ke benta ki Samla nong Shillong jong jela Meghalaya, ya ke bala penlong ha pelau jong ke Bosco Technical School Shillong. Yakani ke job fair la play pai ba da u executive director ka Meghalaya State Skill Development Society u Bhupesh Hajong ha ka jinge don rangkat lang jong chief operating officer ka Bosco Tech Society u Stanley Jones bat ki wei ki kenrem ki lendan ki don palat life hoteli ki company ki belawan Jingtip sya ki Samla Wadkam ke jela Meghalaya ki bakentup ya ka Apollo Proton Hospital ka Just Dial ka Bharti AXA Life Insurance ka Speedwing Aviation ka Safe Express ka GTEX, ka Devyani International, ka Sodexo, ka ICICI Bank, ka Barbecue Nation, bat ki wei ki company beper. Kat kum ka jingsakhi jong ka Batisi TV lalap bagi Samla Wadkam ki bala poisya kani ka job fair ban wat Jingtip yakilat yokam ki dei ki baha pedeng karta khat prasnem hado lai pesan senem. Ka Bosco Tech Society ka palat South Hoteli ki Skill Training Center haki arf kandai teli ki jela jongari India ki baju yarap ban ajing hikai sya ki Samla haki liang beper.
Youth development, training youth and helping them to get jobs so that they can become honest citizens of the nation. That's the bottom line we all are working for. And in this regard, we have organized this job fair here. And you all have been fortunate that you have come down here. Reports say that, even a Prime Minister's website says that, India will be the skills capital of the world. Every nook and corner you go, you will find Indians working there. And all the people, all the HR people who have come down here, the HR book says that the right person for the right job, that's what they will be looking at. And it all starts here, in this venue, in this platform. Northeast, especially Meghalaya, is a talent hell. There's no dearth of talent in any sector. You've seen the beautiful singing, you've seen the hospitality, every sector you talk about, you find talent and talents. What they lack is an opportunity. And the employers far and wide across the country, they are looking for this talent. So through this simple platform, we just brought these two together, the youth who have the talent and the employers who are looking for this talent. And we are hopeful that this platform will be successful. There are people, employers, looking for this talent. They know that Northeast, Shillong, Meghalaya youth have this talent, opportunities. So this is not the end in all, but just the beginning. So we will be having a couple of more job fairs based on this experience.
I've been trying to just create a kind of a workforce in the state and creating few entrepreneurs as well as mostly of course in the service sectors. 5 years down the line, we have already, only our office has already trained about 17,000 youth like you. This is my experience where we could place about 2,000 like you would be placed pan-India across the states, mostly of course in Pune, Mumbai, Lonavala, Chennai, Daman, few Gujarat and UPs, and of course in Delhi. As a government servant, heading 2 directorates and 1 government department in the secretariat, my salary is half than those students I send outside for training like you. 7 like you only from Khasi Hills. 2 years back, only one joined in Australian cruise from hospitality and tourism sector. She started her career with 60,000. Thereafter, today when she is in touch with me, I asked her, what is your package now? She said 1,60,000 per month. Mine is not even half. And when she came to me, she was not earning even 1 pie. Then thereafter, she did a good thing. She also invited few other friends. 6 of them that joined. Now 7 of them, 6 plus 1. 7 of them now only from Khasi, nearby Shillong and nearby. They are earning now 60 each of them, but we see he is getting allowance with 1,60,000. 17 migrated to Dubai. 19 migrated to Abu Dhabi from this type of training only. So they made a career. You know why they made a career? Why the difference? Whereas I trained 17,000, 2,000, we see them making a career. Why not all 17,000? Maybe those days I have seen, experience also interacting with them. That was, I see from my own observation, I find one biggest block that prevents our children to make a career of their own choice is, it's my subjective observation. It's called flock mentality.